Hey everybody, welcome back to Door and Lock Tips. And I'm gonna play around tonight with a beautiful leashy pick. This is KW1. This is for picking through a Kwikset cylinder. So I have a general lock, brand new, in the box, has not been opened. Although I want to open it. I wanted to practice, but I'm gonna do this cold turkey tonight. So I got a general lock, and it says it's KW. So wait, here it is, Kwikset right there, KW1. So this is just for this pick, basically. It's going to defeat it. So let's look at this leashy pick. These are the rage right now. Now this is one of their best picks I think they've ever invented. Although I don't do a lot of cars, but you know, I've got so many flavors of their pick over here. I mean, it's pretty fun. I have all the residential and commercial picks, but no real car picks over there. So here, you know, the best way I find to get into a car, don't pick it. Just go through with your yellow finger. Oh, they have a tool. Oh man, it's spectacular. So I use that instead of these picks because, you know, I don't want to spend $100 a pick. So here's this pick. It's beautiful. It's made out of stainless, and I bought little extra picks that go in here in case I bend one. You know, you don't want to be in the field and bend one of these things. You can't use it. You got to get through. So these are a necessity for a locksmith. You have to have some way. Let's say the Peterson picks. You know, they're fine and dandy, but these are so simple. Why would you want to fight with the Peterson picks or any other pick for that matter when you can just walk right through a lock with this? I'm going to show you how. So here we have it. We have this general lock. I want to have my beautiful pan of ice. Okay, I rebuild it. I put these friction fit little jaws on there. They're mounted solid. I love them. And so I'm going to stick this nice little cylinder. Okay. Was not much money. Here's the keys. Let's just check the bitting, see how tough it is, really. It's a 35462. So even knowing that helps me get through this lock. So we'll just forget what I just said, right? We'll do the right thing and forget what I said. So here's the cylinder. It's beauty. I mean, it's nice, right? Pretty high tolerances, brand new. But just so you know, these keys are not cut right from the factory. So you're better off going out to your code machine and recutting these keys. Otherwise, in a few years, you know, if you have to go back to these folks and service their locks, you know, and you just have your duplicator on board your truck, if you haven't got these cut just exactly to perfect tolerances, your duplicator is going to make a mess out of them. So I highly suggest you recut these in your duplicating machine. And we all have those on our truck, right? So there's the keys. There's the cylinder. Oh, and what else is in the box? Oh, we have some tail pieces. So this is for key and knob cylinder. So it goes with these little tail pieces, and you have every flavor of tail piece. Delicious. They go right in the end of this. So let's stick this, well, oh, first we got to lubricate it. So we're going to take our Tri-Flow. Oh, I love this stuff. We're going to lubricate it right down its mouth right there. And we stick enough lubricant so it actually gets down in those pins. And I had a rag. All right, let's clean this up a little bit. Kind of messy. So we clean it up and stick it right in this beautiful pan of ice. Custom made just for me. All right, she's in. We'll move all this debris out of here. All right, now we'll see if this really can do it. I'm saving the best for last, you know. All right, it goes in like that. Now let me show you. You don't want to have the little pick sticking up when you shove it down its little yap. All right, so we got it in the cylinder now. This is the tension rod. So you apply tension. You don't want to go up or down with this because that'll just bind things up. So you hold a reasonable amount of tension, and you'll get to know how to do that. So we're on the fifth cylinder. I mean the fifth, what is that called? It's the chamber. Okay, oh, got to click on 5. So we know we're set down in 5. Nope, that's hard. Well, we got a beautiful click on 3, guys. Oh, we got to click on 2. Oh, and I felt this move. It's starting to turn the way the key would go. All right, and oh, look at that. Now, is that a success or what? Oh, I'm in with this lychee, and the red is the highest standard of lychee that you can buy. Okay, I paid a few bucks extra. I think like 20 bucks. All right, I'm relocked. Let's try it again just for fun because, you know, everybody likes to hear them clicks. All right, here we go. All right, we got it 1 on 5. Now, this is going to defeat the quick set lock so fast and make your head spin. All right, now that's dead set. So we're not touching that. We're not forcing our way through that one. Oh, easy click on 3. Easy click on 2. And we're in. Now, if this doesn't make you happy, nothing will. Nothing better than clicking your way to success, right? Wouldn't it be nice if life was this easy? Click on 5. Nothing on 4. Click on 3. Click on 2. Oh, and I'm in. So now you can actually read the bidding on this particular tool. If I had the angle right, I'd show you what I'm talking about. But all you do is you hold it down and you read across each pin, and then you write those numbers down, and you will have the bidding of this particular key. So there we have it, guys. A beautiful lychee pick in action. I love these things. You can buy these from CLK Supply. You can pay a little more there, by the way, but you know, you get what you pay for. They're in a beautiful case from them, guys. And then you can get them from UHS Hardware. That's where I got these. And you can get them from Annex. You can get these all over, any supply house. But you got to be a locksmith to do it. And that's who I'm talking to tonight, locksmiths, because we love these things. So if I was you, the tip for the night, go out and buy every lychee pick involved in any residential or commercial locks. You know, and this is proof positive. This blew right through this thing in maybe, what, 20 seconds? So keep coming back for more, guys. I love doing these shows. I need your support, though. Please hit the like, smash that like button. Tell your friends, subscribe. I need subscriptions. Subscribe to my channel. And, you know, keep coming back. I'll have more videos like this for you in the future. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful night.